how to copy Facebook group link on Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple step. But actually in this moment I'm working on Android, but as I said before, it doesn't matter. Firstly, when you open up your feed screen section on your Facebook site, what is the most important thing? It is by going right here on the three dots and then simply scroll down and go for groups, and if you cannot find groups in this section, simply go see more and then you're gonna be available for it. Go groups and then select a group which is related on your interest. For example, for me it is this one. And now if I want to copy that group link from here, what is the most important thing? As you can see on my right upper side, I have three different options. The second one, it is our goal right now, because if I tap on that shareable setup, here I will have more options on which I can share or I can copy that link. I will go copy link on that selection, and now here, as you can see, if I go paste, it will be taking over that link session.